But we're gonna get into a high maintenance for the high value people. I ain't gonna say. I want to say it, be crazy.
Nah, you good, man.
Oh no, this smells good.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like no, he did his thing with it. Yeah, cause like.
Ooh.
Welcome to the stage of history retold.
Alright, hydration. He's back in my kitchen today. He's smelling mad lovely and he keep doing his voice level. But what's that show called?
JoJo, yeah.
JoJo Bizarre.
Adventure, yeah, that shit funny as hell.
Today we got 2 colognes, Adidas Strk, and we got
Black On, High Maintenance by my cousin.
yeah, by Trey, my cousin Trey, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I know him too, he like a cousin of me. On top of that, go support his channel, what's it called? Hustle Off the Ground.
Hustle Off the Ground.
Support Hustle Off the Ground podcast. They talk about good stuff over there, but
yeah.
my God. But today, we gonna get into some of these smells. So, I would to see how good what he did with his cologne. We gonna smell this first, and I want to see how his cologne goes up against a name brand like a logo that's been out for a while. Adidas. They make their colognes, but they don't make them like it's not Adidas is it's a thing. It's not cologne no. So
right, sportswear.
yeah, so
like this more lifestyle. I
yeah.
was out there lifestyle.
So we gonna spray this. I'm gonna see.
Okay, my right arm has been tainted already.
You know what I'm saying? You gonna spray this.
This more Spritey.
What spray?
Yeah, like kind of like light Spritey.
Yeah, it is actually. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it settle for a bit. Ooh, this is like Sprite. It's real like this. Yeah, like when you don't want to do too much. Like if you like not do nothing at all, do too much. Hold on.
This giving me Sprite mixed with alcohol vibes. Like
no, yeah,
like I'm just saying.
Sprite mixed with alcohol.
Yeah, like kind of like some. And at first I thought alcohol like you drink, but then it's kind of more like alcohol like you put on your wounds though a little bit too.
Yeah, this might be that. What's that light? I had a lighter cologne in my old name.
Yeah, cause this shit damn near gone already.
They got that. I think it's called driftwood in there or something like that. That's a real light wood smell. So okay, that's this smells good, man. They don't like the Adidas Charge smells better than me.
Yeah, I could.
That green, I don't know that green one we had. Yeah, that one smelled better.
This one, cause it just made me think about McDonald's Sprite for some reason.
Like Strike.
McDonald's Sprite, bro.
I know. I was gonna call
it. Strike. Okay. I got you.
Adidas Strike, McDonald's Sprite. Shit, right. All right, I'm gonna spray this in my left hand.
All right, I'm gonna let you spray it first.
High maintenance by my cousin, man.
Trey.
Support them.
Support
doing a
the
good
movement.
job selling these. He's been doing a good job selling these.
Yeah,
I gotta get a bottle that he bought a bottle. I gotta get a bottle. I think they going about if you go on his Hustle Off the Ground IG, you could probably hit him up on there and ask him.
HD34. I think that he got a website up too.
He got a website.
Yeah, so y'all could go on his Instagram. I think it's HD_34. Mm-hmm. We can put it in the.
Yeah, I think they going for on his website. 50 though.
50 the main price though.
50 the main price. He got a sale going on. That's some shit you got to message him about, I think.
Yeah, message him about.
But we're gonna get into a high maintenance for the high value people. I ain't gonna say. I want to say it, be crazy.
Nah, you good, man.
Oh no, this smells good.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like no, he did his thing with it. Yeah, cause like.
Ooh, nigga, what? I see why I see him on his Instagram like.
I can't pinpoint, but I
this shit smooth as fuck.
That's what I'm saying.
This worth 50. This good.
Yeah, like he did his thing. I told him that. I wouldn't lie.
Bro,
I would lie
to get sample bottles next. Like maybe if you can get like sampler bottles and sell it for 20 or some shit. However you want to get them.
Yeah.
Nah. Hold on. What I like better?
Oh, this is easy, man. Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Since they both smell that Strike again.
Oh, let me. Which one?
Now, where you spray it? I think I sprayed it right there.
No, this right here. Right, this is a pump, though, ain't it?
Yeah, but like where you already spray it, so you gotta smell the one that settled on.
I can't even smell it like that no more. it's more soft now. Like now it's like
it's softer as fuck.
But this too soft though, in my opinion.
Yeah, when it settle in, it's soft. You
It's too
spray a lot
soft.
of
Like that shit blend in. You would have to spray this shit like some air freshener or something.
They both smell like a soft soap, but it smells. This one.
But this one lasts a little bit longer though.
Which one? That one lasts longer.
This one lasts longer though.
It's a little more spice in it.
Spice in it, yeah.
A little more spice in
I
it.
cannot figure I've been trying to figure out for the last hour where do I know the smell from because I done smelled it before. Hold on, I'm gonna spray it one more time. I don't want to waste all of it because I'm gonna actually wear this shit.
That shit fire.
Yeah, no, he did his thing. This is the only scent right now. I'm not sure the name of it. I meant to
I ain't
ask
gonna
him.
lie, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy that. I got a lot of cologne, y'all know, but I'm gonna start wearing these two more. They softer. I feel like this one I'm gonna use for more if I'm going out to chill out. I'm going to be out and about.
This is good for work though.
This good for work. This is really good. If this is an emergency cologne, this is really good. It's soft. You ain't overpowering. You ain't doing too much. It might wear off depending on your work. If you got an office job, it's good. If you just having a small little kickback, or you about to have some. I always say that in my videos, but really, Adidas, you did your thing for trying to get a real chill smell. I didn't think it was this chill because I wore it out one day and it was cool, but it kind of wore off. But this is really, they're both very soft, but this one's way softer, and this one's you know what I'm saying, really good. So he did his thing.
Yeah, no, he did his thing.
I'm a Adidas head, and I'm saying I would wear this more than this.
Yeah, listen, cuz, you did your thing, support a young black man at that, young black business owner. You gotta, lift up each other, keep on doing that.
Yeah. Oh man, this is amazing, Trey. Keep making cologne, bro. You're really good at that, man. Keep making cologne, bro. I don't know what you want to call the next one. Call it low maintenance? Nah, this
oh hell no, bro. This for fly niggas, that low maintenance for broke it off, man. Don't let me stop before I mess up the algorithm using words.
Oh yeah, but this is really good, man. I feel like the next time you do a cologne, the bottle, cause he doing good. That next bottle he did is gonna be crazy. Or he might, how colognes have it might be high maintenance. He might high maintenance black or some shit bottle. It's still high maintenance, but it might be that brand. This is really good. Bottle look kind of crazy because it's long as hell right here. Pause, but but it's I like what he did.
Oh yeah, you gotta be careful with the lift up. Yeah,
definitely like what he did. I cannot wait to your dad smell that, man. You know what I'm saying? Because he gonna go crazy. He gonna have a long. That's gonna be a whole conversation.
Yeah, no, he did his thing.
I'm gonna talk to Trey.
Man, this shit crazy, man.
Yeah, but we just wanted to bring y'all these two smells, man.
Yeah, because it's been a minute since we did this. I don't even remember last time that we did a smell good video. It's been a minute.
I know the seasons was changing just like now. Every time we do one, it's like the season be changing. What was it, shit, bro? I really want to find out now.
I think it, because I don't think it was last year though. I think it might have been
I might have gone to the page right now, but I gotta find out now.
Hold on, because it's been 8.
It was this year.
No, it was this year, but it was I feel like it might have been 8 months though, bro. I'm not gonna hold you.
I got it on one of my playlists. I have playlist music. Music and fragrances 18 though.
Make sure you get this hot fragrance. I made this fragrance.
That's 9 months ago.
9 months. See, look.
We did the curve because I bought that curve set.
Yeah, see, look. I won that far off. I said 8. I knew.
That's good, bro. I probably did it 9 months ago.
9 months ago.
Yeah, that was a good one too, yo. And the seasons was changing, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, but make sure y'all get this, and definitely make sure
you get support.
Y'all need. No, we ain't gonna do that. But y'all support. Just say that. Support.
Black on.
Black on, man.
Alright, y'all.
We out, man.
Audio hydration.